guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a brow tutorial. So I'm just going to be showing you what the products I use and how I tend to do my brows on a regular basis. Also, I did want to say make sure to subscribe, guys. I will be having a giveaway very soon. I already picked up some of the products that I'm going to put into this, so as soon as I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. But anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing my brow tutorial, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and zoomed you in so that you can get a closer look and be able to see better. So first, I usually brush through my brows using either like a brow pencil like this one. This is the Colourpop brush. It is the E12 brush, so I sometimes use this just to comb through them. Or some of the products I use have the dual-sided, which has like the brush on one side and then the actual brow product on the other side. So like I would just comb through these like this. I usually do my brows before my foundation, unless I forget. But so you just comb through them like that. Today I'm going to be using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Taupe Tom. I actually got this in one of my Ipsy bags, I believe, and I tried it out a few days ago and I've really been liking it. So like I said, this comes with like the brush on one side, so I just use that to comb through them. On the other side is where it has like the actual brow part, so I just pull that out a little bit. And I just want to follow your natural eyebrow shape and just kind of fill in those sparse areas. So on the top, I just want to follow that arch. For the bottom, you just want to connect that in, and again, just keep filling in those sparse areas. And you want to use a light hand with this. Okay, next I'm using the Colourpop Brow Boss, and I'm just going to do hair-like strokes towards the front of my brow. And you want to do light strokes here because naturally it would be a lighter area. I really like this brow product because it's so precise, so it allows me to fill in any spots that I missed. So I'm just going to go in and deepen up any of those spots. And then I'm just going to use the Colourpop brush again just to brush that out and blend in those colors so it looks a little more natural. It also gets rid of any harsh lines that you drew on. Also, it's a lot easier to do this when you've just recently got your brows done because it kind of gives you like an idea of where that shape would naturally be. And so it makes it a lot easier to fill them in and kind of know the direction that you want to go in for your brows. Okay, so lastly I'm using the Colourpop gel and I'm just going to brush right over those. I definitely recommend this product because my brows do not move after this. And it's only $6, so I definitely recommend this because I used to have a problem with my brows moving all over the place, and with this they do not budge. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other brow. Now this brow is a little trickier. I know we all have that brow that just does not want to cooperate with you, and this is the one for me. Okay guys, so these are the finished brows. As you can see, it's not too big of a difference, but it just, like my brows, I have a lot of sparse areas, so this allows me to fill them in while still looking natural. So I really love all these products that I've been using. I really like this new sugar pencil that I got. It's really like pigmented, so it works really well and glides really smoothly onto my brows. And then the Colourpop, I really like this one as well because it also glides smoothly, but I really like it for precise areas since it is more of a pointed end. And it is also a lighter shade than my regular brow, so I use it towards the front areas like I showed you guys, because it kind of just creates like a gradient that my brows naturally go in. And the brow gel, I've talked about it a lot already. It works so well. My brows do not move at all with it, and I always had a problem with them just kind of like going upwards and stuff. And I found that this works really well for me, especially with the price point. It's only $6, I believe. So if you guys don't have this, you should definitely get your hands on it. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you all found it helpful. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time.